Good day, everyone. I'm encouraging you over the next few months to just consider how you can save money at the same time your health, not just for yourself, but for your family. What you're currently looking at is called a seed bed. A seed bed is where you plant vegetables that are to be transplanted out of this particular garden into the large garden. As you can see, it is flourishing well. We are so thankful that God has blessed us in such a way to be able to grow the necessary food that can be able to help not just myself, but also others. Remember that as your food, you should always consider others within your planting. What you're currently looking at is lettuce. Next to it is broccoli. And then it's a special plant that I'm actually introducing to Bermuda. It's called rape. And then we have next to that, we have your kale. And as you can see further on, mustard greens. And then in the further back of all of the seedlings, we have cabbage growing lovely. Now, this is quite a bit of seedlings. That means that I have seedlings to spare. Seedlings to spare is to share. And so if you are a gardener or considering getting into gardening, I'm just encouraging you to do whatever you can to turn that ground up. Contact me and let's see what we can do to be able to help you to produce food for your family. I'm not selling these seedlings. Some say, well, Chaplain Santucci, you are most generous, but you can sell them. Well, to be honest with you, God has been good to us. And if you like to do something to help somebody else, more than anything, I need seeds. And that's heirloom seeds. I only use heirloom seeds. What you're looking at currently is potatoes. And then what we have down here is a long line of other plants, beets that are coming up. Coupled with the beets, we have a long line of carrots that are coming. By next week, this time here, this entire garden should be filled with the necessary plants, vegetables to be able to grow out of the abundant harvest garden. This garden is called the Abundant Harvest Garden, and as you can see, the carrots, the beets, and then the potatoes. On behalf of the food movement, I'm encouraging you to get involved with growing food for your family from your garden. Until next time, I'm Chaplain Kevin Santucci, wishing you and your family all the best. Now may you grow in peace. May the God of peace be with you, and may you prosper and be in peace in all things is my prayer. God bless you.